Hello friends, I am Yuthika and welcome back to my channel Yuti Arts. I hope you all are doing great in this festive season. Guess what? What are we going to do in today's video? We are going to do a DIY in today's video. And what's that? We are going to design mobile back cover. Even I am doing it for the first time. Let's see how the result turns out. I would request you all, if you like the video, do hit the like button. You can share it with your friends too. You can also share your ideas on mobile cover redesigning in the comment section below, and I will try to make videos on your ideas in future. Also, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe Yuti Arts.
Hey friends, today we are going to design two mobile back covers. This is the first one and we are going to require a brush. We are going to use a Filbert brush and a paint. For this I am using Fevicryl acrylic color and the pigment is Prussian Blue. After the paint dries up, I am going to use a sponge and tap the same color, the Prussian blue color, on it and give it a texture finishing. Now since this is not a canvas, it takes a bit of more time for the paint to dry up. Now I am going to paint flowers with a very easy technique. Painting the center of the flower first using deep orange mixed with white. Next, I am painting the petals using white color and then I will be using lemon yellow color. I have mixed light green color and white color for the stalks. Since I was not happy with the result, rather the final result, I opt for dabbing a mixture of blue, white and silver color on the edges. and the next layer goes of only the silver color. This is the second back cover which I am going to design today. I am giving it a base color white, rather I am using a white gesso. Using the same technique of sponge dabbing, I am covering the entire cover with golden color. I have taped all the four sides of the back cover so that the color doesn't get messy. Now, using thin strips of masking tape, I am going to make geometric patterns. Now I will be painting each sections with different colors, giving gradient to it.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
After removing the masking tape, I can see that the edges are not even. So I am going to use a permanent black marker to outline the shapes.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
So now we are ready with two different designs on the back covers. How did you like the video? Do mention your views in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.